The word geometry is derived from the Greek word geo, meaning earth, and merton, meaning measuring. Geometry is the study of position, shape, size, properties of different figures and objects on Earth, beyond the Earth. In geometry, definitions are formed using known words or terms to describe a new word. An undefined term is simply a term which is left undefined. For instance, if you define a circle as a set of all points in a plane which are equally distant from a single point, then the definition of a circle requires you to know what a set is, what a point is, what a plane is, and what the distance between two points is. The definition of those terms will involve other concepts and so on. There are three words in geometry that are not formally defined. These three undefined terms are point, line, and plane. The external part of anything is known as the surface of the respective object. A surface has length and width but no thickness. A surface may be flat or curved. Surface of a ball and battery are the examples of curved surfaces. Wall, top of a table, the surface of paper, and surface of blackboard, etc. are the examples of flat surfaces or plane surfaces. Imagine a flat sheet of metal. Now make it infinitely large in both directions. This means that no matter how far you go, you never reach its edges. Now imagine that it is so thin that it has no thickness at all. Despite this, it remains completely rigid and flat. This is the plane in geometry. Our world has three dimensions. But there are only two dimensions on a plane. Plane, an undefined term. In geometry, a plane has no thickness, but extends indefinitely in all directions. Planes are usually represented by a shape that looks like a tabletop or a parallelogram. Even though the diagram of a plane has edges, you must remember that the plane has no boundaries. A plane is named by a single letter, plane M, or by three non-collinear points, plane A, B, C. You can think of parallel planes as sheets of cardboard, one above the other, with a gap between them. Parallel planes are of same distance apart everywhere, so they never touch. If two planes are not parallel, then they will intersect or cross over each other somewhere. Two planes always intersect at a line. Two lines intersect at a point. In geometry, a point has no dimension or actual size. point is an exact position or location on a plane surface. It is important to understand that a point is not a thing but a place. We indicate the position of a point by placing a dot with a pencil. A point has no size. No matter how far you zoomed in, it would still have no width. Since a point is a place, not a thing, it has no dimensions. Points are usually named by using an uppercase single letter. In the figure above, the points P, Q, and R are shown. If a set of points lie in a straight line, they are called collinear. If a set of points lie on the same plane, they are called coplanar. Line is an undefined term. A line has no thickness. A line's length extends in one dimension. A line goes on forever in both directions. A line has infinite length, 0, 0 width, and 0 height. A line is drawn as a straight line with two arrowheads, indicating that the line extends without end in both directions. A line is named by a single lowercase script letter or by any two or more points which lie on the line. AB bar or BA bar. We represent a line by a small letter L, M, N, etc. A line has no endpoints. All other terms related to geometry are defined based on these undefined terms: plane, point, and line. Summary.